This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss one more built-in function of GW basic programming language, which is called beep function, and the purpose is to sound the speaker at 800 hertz. It means 800 cycles per second. For 1/4 of a second. And the format is you just need to type beep this way, and the example is beep type beep at command level. Now we'll switch to the IDE of GW basic programming language, where we will discuss this beep function, how it is used and how it produces sound. So let's switch to it. Here we are, viewers. Now we will type the beep function. We will just type BEEP beep, and you people can listen the sound of beep like this. This is very simple. You can just need to type BEEP beep, and you can hear the sound of beep of 800 hertz. So let's switch to the text area. We will discuss more functions. So after discussing the beep function, now we will discuss the date dollar function. So the statement actually this statement is used to set or retrieve the current date. Format is date dollar equal to V dollar, and then the other way is you can type or V dollar is equal to date dollar. So either ways you can use this V dollar equal to date dollar or date dollar equal to V dollar. Both are functional. You can display the date on the screen. So how it is used, let's see. Where V dollar is a valid string, literal or variable. V dollar can be any of the following formats when assigning the date, and the formats can be month dash date dash year. The other way is do month slash date slash YYM stands for month, D stands for date, and Y stands for year. And the other way is month dash day dash year. So all these fields will, like, by following these format, the date can be displayed on the screen 4 ways. Last one is the month slash day slash year and year. So we will now use this function $, in the GW Basic Programming Language IDE. So let's switch to the IDE. Now viewers, we will type the how the $, function is used. So we will type print statement and then type $, like this, and then we press the enter key. Then you can see the current date for today is 30th March 2022. But if you want to change the format or type of the date, then you can type $, equal to, here you can type, if you want to give a different date to the current date, then you can type like, we'll put double quotes and then type the month like this, and then type, you can use slash as well, and then type the date, different date like this, and type the year to 2020 and press the enter key. Now you can see that this date format is now assigned to this $, and when I type $, now it will contain 15 March 2020, which is not the correct date, but just to show you how we can change and assign a different date to the $, function by using this way, by assigning the right hand side to the left hand side. So when we now type print $, like this and press the enter key, now you can see the 15 March 2020 is now the current date, and now this date is now assigned to the $. So whenever now you type the $, function with the print statement, you will see 15 March 2020. But since the today's correct date is 30th March 2022, so we can now again type $, equal to double quotes March 30th 2022. So you can see the OK message now. And if you type print $, now this way, now you can see the correct date, which is 30th March 2022. So this is how the $, function works, like this. So let's switch to the text area. The other way to type the and display the date, current date, system date on the screen by using the $, variable, we can type this way. We can type on line 10 print of like $, equal to date $, and then on line 20 we can type print $. Now this $, contain the value of date $, which is the current system date of the computer, and on line 30 we can type print date $. So $, and date $, contains the same value, which will be the current date of the computer system date. On line 40 we will type END and just press the F2 key, so you can see both are having the same value. First we use the $, which contains the date $, because by using the assignment operator, date $, value is assigned to $. In this print function statement will use the $. Now the date contained in this variable can be seen on the screen, but this date $, is the actual function which will return the value of the current system date. So both can be used either ways to display the current system date on the screen. So I'm gonna explain and interpret the whole execution of this small program to you guys for your better understanding and knowledge. So let's switch to the text area. So I'm gonna interpret this program to you guys on line 10. Using assignment operator, the equal to symbol, date $, value will be assigned and then stored to the $, variable. So date dollar value on the right hand side is assigned and then stored to the $v variable on the left hand side. On line 20, print statement is used with $v variable, which now contains the current system date print statement is used to display the current system date on the screen. On line 30, likewise, print statement is used to display the current system date stored in the built-in function date dollar. Line 40, end statement is used to represent the ending closing of the computer program. So that's the whole execution of this computer program. So you can see these two dates are the actual output of line 20 and 30. So after running the program, the above program, we can see the output of line 20 and 30 on the screen, which are actually actual current system date, computer system date. You can type computer system date. It's not any other old new system, it is just a computer system, so we have to mention it's a current computer system date. So that's all. Thanks for watching. We have discussed two different functions today. The first one was the beep function, which is used to produce sound in GW Basic Programming Language, and then it is just a simple function. Just type beep and then you can listen to the sound of speaker at 800 Hertz. It can be asked as a multiple choice question. It's very important to note in date dollar function can be used in two different ways, whether you can just type print and then type the date dollar name of the function, or you can type a variable. You can use a variable and then assign the current date stored in the date dollar function to that variable, and then you can use the print statement and then use that variable to display the current computer system date on the screen. That's all. Thanks for watching.